Hey, how you doing? Well, it's been a while. I made some progress. Had some bad weather coming in, so I didn't really video the last time I worked on it. The shed here, it's just been crazy, so I just had to get it done. I couldn't take time to video, but as you can see, I've got this side, all the siding on this side, and I've got the front here. This side I just threw the window in there just to fill in the space. So today I'm going to do today, if I can get done, I'm just starting late. So right here I'm going to cut with the router to mark where the window start is, and then I'll hang 2 more sheets, and then I'll cut out the door, and that'll do me for the siding. And after that, I've got the wood here. I'm going to start building the loft. And the reason I'm going to build the loft now instead of the roof rafters is because when I got the loft here, I'll be able to get up here and hang the roof rafters a lot easier with that almost being like a scaffold. And it'll also secure the inside and make it a lot stiffer. So I think that'll work out a lot better. Yeah, I've got a mess going here. I tried to get the stove going, and the stove doesn't want to start. I haven't used it in a long time. I'm probably going to have to blow it out. Didn't want to waste time on it, so I guess I'll just have to be cold. All right, so I'm going to start the generator here and the compressor and get these 2 panels hung, and we'll get going. Yeah, I don't have much time. All right, so I'm going to probably put this on. I'll probably put this on the time lapse here later on to speed it up, because the generator is very noisy and it's better just to have enjoyable music than to listen to a loud generator. All right, stand by. All right. Okay, well, now I got some plastic up here. I got this stove almost burnt down the shed by a piece of plastic or a piece of cardboard. You see this stove is burning over there. Keep me warm a little bit. So 2x4x12, cut it down to 138 inches. So this span there, I just measured my posts, will be 77 1/4. Measure out, put in my supports here, then put in my 2x6s across, and yeah, we should have at least this one in today, hopefully, and we'll see how it goes. At least I got a little bit enclosed here. It's a little warmer. It's not as cold. Alright, here's my loft. I just have that plastic up there to keep the wind out. So that part's done. Now I have to make another loft over here on this side. So that's what we're going to start right now. It's getting kind of late, but I put plastic up here just to keep the wind out so it's not so cold in here. And got the door covered, and I have a stove right here. Actually, it's pretty comfortable now. Alright, we'll get to work. Alright, here I am. Back loft is finished. Looks pretty good. Finished. Good and level. Perfect. So, what do I need to do next? Well, get all that taken down. Raise the ridge board. Ridge beam, I should say. and start working on the real roof rafters. But I have to wait for a day where I don't have rain or anything in the forecast for a couple of days, so I can work on it full time, get it knocked out, and at least get that part done and get plastic back on it so I can put the roof sheathing on and then the underlayment, etc. I can seal out this window, pull the window out, put in the tape, the weather stripping tape or whatever they call it, and caulk it. And this door here, the entryway door, I can do that. Working and everything, I can do that in here, and I don't have to worry about getting wet or anything. Just have to wait for some time and some weather to get this roof done. This will, I guess, yeah, finish this episode. And thanks for watching. Please come back soon. Below, you'll see a list of tools and supplies that I've used on this. Very pleased with all the tools I've used on this. And especially the DeWalt nailer. Man, that thing is awesome. So please feel free. Go and use those links if you're interested in any of those tools. Every thing purchased using those links helps the channel out a little bit. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time.